Next one. G. Well done. Wag. Blend it. Wag. Next one. Ag. Well done. Next one. T. Tag. Well done. Next one. Swag. Sag. Not swag. Well done. Well done, I take. Dev Krish.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read these 80 words.
Start. Start, ma.
See.
No, phonic sound. K.
Cat. Point out with your finger and read.
Bat.
Fat. Hat.
What is the sound of M? At. At mat.
At mat.
Next one.
Rat.
Rat. Very good, Dev Krish. Well done. Okay, children, we'll start our session. Who is going to say Kids Anthem today? Who is going to say Kids Anthem, children? Kavyani,
ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Come on, all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. We'll continue it, okay? Afterwards, we'll continue it. Come on, all of you, join your hands and close your eyes. Yes, come on, Kavyani. Start. Kids Anthem.
Yaar unique. My potential is there. Cause away. Finish my slide. You define me. My potential is there. Today I play all my might. I shall give you my potential inside.
Yeah, very good, very good, very good. Good morning. Thank you so much, Kavyani. Good morning, everyone. Come on, unmute yourself and say a big good morning to ma'am. Yeah, very good morning. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, very good morning, everyone. Now, children, tell me, how is the climate today when you look outside? How is it? How is it? Very cool. Raining somewhere. Okay? So, shall we sing the rain rhyme today? Shall we sing the rain rhyme? Rain, rain. Who is going to sing the rhyme? Who is going to sing? Jahnavi is going to sing. Okay, Jahnavi, Jahnavi. Come on.
Rain,
Rain, rain. Come on. Come on, sing. Who is singing? Jahnavi is singing or Sarika is singing? Anyone, everyone, I'll ask you to sing a rhyme. Okay, now all of you mute yourself. All of you mute yourself. Jahnavi is going to sing. Okay, everyone mute yourself. Come on.
I'm singing.
Okay, I'll call you, Rohita. Mute yourself, okay? First, Jahnavi.
Rain, rain, go away, come again,
you holding your umbrella inside your home? Naughty girl. Okay, next is Rohita. Be careful, ma January.
Rain, rain, go in, come on and
No actions, huh? No actions.
యాక్షన్ మాయలా ఇలా అంటావు కదా
Rain,
Ah.
rain, go in, come on and go in. Little swimmer was to fly. Rain, rain, go in.
Very good. Okay, next who is going to sing? Tarnika.
Rain, rain,
Tarnika.
go away, come again another day. Little brother wants to play. Rain, rain, go
Little
away.
brother wants to play with Tarnika. Tarnika doesn't want to play. Your brother want to play? Oh, such a sweetheart. Okay, next. Okay, who is going to sing I Hear Thunder? Who is going to sing I Hear Thunder? Who knows that? Nobody knows, huh? I hear thunder. Nobody knows? Oh my God. Tarnika also doesn't know the rhyme. Who knows? Let me know who knows this rhyme. You know that. Come on, let me see how you are singing. I hear thunder. Don't know. Okay, ma'am is going to sing. Okay, everyone listen carefully and sing along with ma'am. Okay. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops. Pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through. I'm wet through. Okay. Yes? You didn't even hear this rhyme, children? You don't know? Oh my God. Okay. We'll start with our attendance. Before that, I want you to do one activity. Okay. We'll do the animal sounds activity. Are you all ready for that? Yes, come on, stand up. First, jump for 5 times. Stand up, all of you. Jump for 5 times. I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are ready. Ready for the activity? How does a cow sound? You have to move like a cow. With the horns, with your 4 legs, move like a cow. Yes? Move. Where is the sound? No sound, huh? Anyone unmute and do your activity. Okay. Very good. Okay. How does the elephant walk? How does the elephant walk, children? How does the elephant walk? Very good, Vishal. Very good. Very good, Rohita. Okay. How does a bird fly? How does a crow fly? Kukkuva. Crow will say cuckoo. Yeah, sound like a crow and fly like a crow. Both sound and you have to fly. Let me see who is doing that. Both the sound and you have to fly. Parna's crow is not flying in the same place. Very good, Rohita. You got a towel. You didn't forget the activity. Well done. Vishang, how crow will sound, Vishang? How crow will sound? Crow, how it will sound? Then you are saying coo like that. Okay, next one. Okay, how does a cat sound? How does a cat sound? Cat. Meow, meow. There are many kittens in my class. Meow. Very good, Zaidi. Okay, next. How does a snake sound? How does a snake sound? Snake means what are you doing, Rohita? Snake. Vishang. What happened to Vishang? Snake means what are you doing, Vishang? Naughty boy. Snake is sleeping, huh? I don't want any sleeping snakes in my class. Snake. Okay. Then how does a lion sound? Lion. Why all the lions are very dull? Okay, very good. And then how does my children sound? What is the sound of you, children? What is the sound of you? Hi, ma'am, is the sound of Nitika. Okay. Now, ma'am is going to say? Oh my God, like this you will shout at home, children? Is this the way you shout at home? My God, your parents are very great, really. Okay, now mom is going to say hip hip, and you are going to say what you will say.
Hooray.
What you will say? Hooray. Okay, ready? Ready for that? Wait, stop.
Stop.
Hip hip, hip hip, hip hip. Hooray, very good. Clap hands for yourself. Clap hands for yourself. Very good. Now take a book in your hand. Take a book in your hand. Keep it in your head. What is that activity? Anyone tell me? What is that activity? Balance activity. Well done, Tarnika, Rohita. Well done. Come on. Ready, steady, go. Start. Why is Eddie laughing? Hey, wow, Eddie. High five. High five करो Eddie. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. Good, good. Tarnika, well done. Slowly, Tarnika. Slow, 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 slow. Well done, well done. Nitila, it is balance walk. You have to keep it on your head and you have to walk. It's balance walk. Wow, Rohita. Well done, Rohita. Why are you looking at that side? Janavi, then Janavi. It's going to fall down, see. Take your hand, no cheating. Take your hand. Take your hand. Oh my God, this naughty girl has also done. Very good. Good girl, good girl. Next is, who else? Satvika, Nitila, good. Nitila, you should not hold it, Nitila. Vishank, no holding, no cheating, Vishank. Don't cheat, ma'am. Take your hand. Now you walk. Let me see. Walk, 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 walk. Very good, Vishank. How steadily you are walking, Vishank. Well done. High five. High five. Yeah, well done. Very good boy. Nukshita, where was your activity, Nukshita? You didn't even walk. You didn't walk, Nukshita? Okay, well done. Okay, very good, children. Everyone did it very well. Nitila also good. Okay, keep it down. Now go drink 1 glass of water and come back. Be ready for the attendance. Okay. Satvika also did well. I saw Satvika. Darshika.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
my name is Nashika,
Hmm.
studying junior KG.
Junior KG. What did you ask your mama about me? I forgot to ask yesterday. Huh? What did you ask about me to your mama? What did you ask? Shall I say? Shall I say that? Darshika, come on, look at ma'am. What was that question? Come on, ask me. I will answer you. Come on. Darshika. Darshika is a kidsy girl. You didn't say that? Darshika. Achacho. I am going to answer you, Darshika. You don't want that answer? Okay, Dev Krish. I'll talk to you later. Wait. Dev Krish.
I'm 4 years old.
Very good. Dhanvan is absent today. Dikshan.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is 4 years old. I'm
Very good,
studying
Dikshan.
KG.
Very good, Dikshan. Farnaz. 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 I'm marking you, Farnaz. Hashni.
My name is Asini. I am studying in junior KG. I'm 4 years old. I am Dixie girl.
Okay, Janavi.
My name is John. I'm studying junior KG. I'm Dixie girl for a fourth. Thank you, ma'am.
Appa. Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan. Absent. Okay. Kavyani.
Hello, my name is Kavya. I am studying in junior KG. I'm 4 I'm Kitchi girl.
Very good, Kavyani. Naitik.
My name is Naitik. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Naitik. Nukshita. 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 Marking you, Nukshita. Okay. Pranita. Pranita.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Pranita. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good, Pranita. Rohita.
My name is Soita 4 years old. I'm KG girl. I'm
That's
studying
all. Huh?
in junior KG.
Okay. Ritvik. Okay. Ritvik.
Good morning, ma'am. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
What is your name?
I am KG boy.
What is your name? I'm a kidsy boy. Oh my god. This boy, not daily. I don't know what to do with this boy. Nitila.
My name is
Nitila.
Jesus.
I'm studying in junior KG solo.
I am studying in junior KG. I am a KG girl.
Okay, very good. Satvika.
My name is Sadhika. I am studying in junior KG. I am a KG girl.
Stop. No forwarding and all. Come on, say it slowly. Slowly. Good girl, no? I didn't hear anything, ma Satvika. Slow, சொல்லுங்க. Come on, say it slowly. My name is. Very good. Siddharth. It looks like you are in a war, man. Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good. Tilakar. Devishank.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sushank. I'm studying in junior KG. I'm a kitsy boy.
You're a kidsy boy. Okay. Vivan.
I'm a kitsy boy. I'm a
You too. Oh my god. All of you have become kidsy boys and girls, huh? Vidyut. Vidyut.
studying in junior KG 4 years
First
old.
tell me your name, Vidyut. This Vidyut, Ritvik and all, they will never say their names. Huh? My name is it. You will never start with that. Why is that? Come on, tell me.
My name is Vidya.
No name, huh? Then for whom I'll put the attendance?
Morning, ma'am.
I'm G Vidyut.
I am G Vidyut Vastupreda.
Have you given him any work to do? Have you given him any work to do? Vidyut's mom. Why is he shaking his body like this? Is he working?
He's crying, man.
Why?
He's trying to control.
Already it is raining. Why are you crying? Huh? Why, ma
He was
Vidyut?
not listening, ma'am. I told I'll bring him to school now. So he started crying.
Please don't say that. Then next year you will only suffer.
Yes, ma'am.
Zeddy. Zeddy.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning, Zeddy.
My name is Jedi. I am 4 years old. I am studying junior KG. I am girl.
Okay, very good. Lakshana. Lakshana. Lakshana is not joined. Okay, thank you. Okay, children. Today we are going to learn a new number and you are going to find out what number is that. Okay? What is this, children? What is this? 8.
Yes.
Huh? 8. And what is this?
1.
Okay. 8, 1. What is 8, 1?
81.
చెప్పు
81,
81.
81. Okay. And now another number I'm going to write. First I'm writing this number. What is this?
1.
1. And what is this?
8.
8. What is 1, 8?
180.
180.
1, 8 also 81. Na? Who answered that? Who was that? 1, 8 is also 81. How is that possible? Children, whenever you are writing your numbers, definitely you must spell and write. Okay? Whenever you are writing, whatever number you are writing first, that is very important. When you write 81, it becomes 81. But when you write 1 and after that when you write 8, it becomes 18. It is not 81. It should not be ulta like this. It is wrong. Okay. 81 is only 81. 18 is not 81. It is 18. For that only you should spell and write 81, 81. Or else what you will do? Sometimes you will write 18 as 81. So it is right or wrong? It will become wrong. Okay. So whenever you are writing your worksheets, you have to spell and write. And another number also ma'am is going to write. What is it? What is it? What number I have written, that only you should say. What is this?
Amma, what is
8.
what number?
And then I have written, what I have written?
82.
8 to 82. Okay? 8 to 82. And then tell what is this number?
What is 8 to 82? What is this?
What is this
Again.
number?
What is this, Jetty?
చెప్పమ్మా చెప్పు
What is this?
2.
2,
2.
2, 8.
28.
2, 8.
What is 2, 8?
Yeah.
Yeah, 2, 8 is 28. It is not 82. Why? Because 2 is the first number.
28.
Okay, so it is not 82. 2, 8 is 28. Okay, so today's worksheet is also going to be that, and the worksheet number is D111, 111, MT. Come on, take the worksheet, everyone. Write today's date. Today's date is 5/1. What will you write? 5/1, 2020, yeah? 5/1, 2020, yeah? Yeah. Date is 5/1. 1 is month of January, first month. And year is 2021. Okay, not 2020. It is 2021. Okay, children? Come on, take your worksheets. D111. You will have 81 and 82.
ఇందాకేమన్నా
What, ma, Pranita? What is your problem, Pranita?
What worksheet?
D111, MT. MT. We have finished till 8080. Okay. Today's date 5/1, month of January 2021. All these days we are writing 2020, right? But this time we are going to write 2121. Okay, and write your name here. Nobody should write your name above here in this place. Okay, hereafter you should not write your name here. You should write in the space given here near name. Try to write within the space. Okay, hereafter no one should write your name here. From this term you are not going to write your name above here. You are going to write your name here. Try to write your name. Start with the capital letter and other letters should be in small letters. Okay. For example, see, I'm going to write my name here. I'm writing my first letter with capital letter, and other letters I'm going to write in small letters only. E. Like this. Okay. And the date here. You can write the date above also. There is no issue in that. If you don't have space, you can use the space also. Like this you are going to write. Try to write within the space given. Okay. Hashini.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, count Hashini. Tens counting.
Group of 10, 20,
Wait. 10.
20, 30, 40,
Mm.
50,
Mm.
60,
Mm.
70,
Mm.
80,
And here you have 1.
81.
81. 81. Please, children, I request you, spell and write. Or else you will never be able to correct this mistake. You will always be in a dilemma that 1/8 is 81 or 8/1 is 81. Spell and write, children. Rohita, spell and write. First count and then write, children. Don't straight away write the number. Count all those group of tens. Strike it out and count like how ma'am has done. And then write the number. Excuse me.
Finish, ma'am.
Oh, finished, Tarnika? Very good, Tarnika.
Finish, ma'am.
Farnaz, very good, Farnaz. Yeah, very good, ma. Farnaz. Yeah, finish. Yeah, very good. Farnaz, if you have finished, read these words, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this word.
Cat, bat, cat, hat, mat, lat.
Rat. And AG is ag. Ag. This one. Okay?
AG.
AG is ag. What is the sound of AG? Ag. Now come on, read the word.
Bag,
Mm.
bag, bag,
Mm.
bag, bag,
This one.
Mm.
Bat.
wag, lag, la, tug, shag.
Very good, Farnaz. Well done. Diction finish, ma? Diction.
Writing, ma'am.
Writing, Satvika. Satvika, finish. Finish means read these words, ma. Hmm? Hmm. At matter. Hmm. 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 For at. What is per at, ma? Pat. Okay. Next. Look at the screen, ma. Satvika, look at the screen. And how will you read big words and all?
Yeah.
Her at.
That.
Huh? Her at.
Ma'am, she read that one, ma'am.
Pat she finished. Okay.
Yeah.
I heard it as pat, so that only I called it. Okay, very good. Very good, ma Satvika. Everyone has finished that max worksheet? Finished, children?
Ma'am.
Yes, very good. Next is our LT worksheet 111 LT. The same number worksheet. For this, I want you to bring light green, light blue, and dark blue. Come on, bring it, children. Here you have capital B, small b, capital G, small g. Yes? Before that, write your name and date. Capital B denotes dark blue and small b denotes light blue. Okay? First, we'll finish off with the dark blue. All of you take your dark blue in your hand. Where is the dark blue color? Take it. Show me. Show your dark blue color, everyone. Dark blue. No one should take light blue. Dark blue and color the capital B area. Okay? See, here you have capital B. Here you have capital B. Okay? Color this area. And here also you will have. So, 3 areas you are going to color. Dark blue. Once you finish coloring, let me know, children. Dark blue. Capital B alone you have to color. Don't color the other part. Vishank. Show me your dark blue.
Red,
Show me
ma'am.
your dark blue.
Sure, dark blue.
Dark blue, show me. Yeah, good. Color. Only 3 areas you are going to color. Okay, mark it and then you color. Capital B. Wherever you see capital B, you are going to color dark blue. Diction finish, huh? Those are finished. Capital B. You are going to color light blue now. Small b. Keep the dark blue down. Those are finished. Keep the dark blue aside. Don't take it. Take your light blue. And then you are going to color small b. Here you have small b here. Here you have small b. Yes? 2 places you have to color light blue. So finish coloring light blue, you can go for dark green. Capital G. And then small g. Light green is small g. Finish it. That's it. Finished, Hashni? Very good, Hashni. Well done.
Finish, ma'am.
Tarnika finished. Very good, ma. Good.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, ma. Children, very good. Okay, those who have finished, I want you to take a A4 sheet. Okay, A4 sheet. And you have to fold it into 4.
Ma'am, Penika in finish.
Finish and do it, ma. Take an A4 sheet and you are going to fold it into 4. Okay? Like this, you are going to fold it into 4. And then when you open it, you will get 4 boxes like this. 4 boxes like this. Okay? Keep it ready. Those are finished. Take a plain paper, okay? No need of ruled papers and all. Ready, finish?
Okay, sir.
No, ma'am.
Come on, do it, do it. Satvika, sit in your chair, ma. Be careful, you are going to fall down. Color it fast, Vishank. We are going to draw. Come on. Children, do it fast, children. Dev Krish. Finished? Yeah, take an A4 size paper and divide it into 4. Fold it. Fold it like this. Teach them how to fold, parents. Please don't do it for them. After folding also, open and give it to them. Let them fold again. Then only they will know how to fold a paper. Keep it on the table and fold, ma, Dev Krish. Pranita, finish? Yeah, finish, ma. Very good. Tarnika, good. Dev Krish, good. Harshini, are you folding, Harshini? Let me see how you are folding a paper. Yeah, very good, Satvika. Good.
Hold it. I'll open it.
You yourself do it, children. Try to do it on your own. Yes, ma, I saw Hashni. I saw yours.
Look, ma'am.
Okay. Now open the paper. How many of you didn't finish your worksheet till now?
Yeah.
Everyone finished? Be careful, Rohita. Open it. Now open the paper. Now you have 4 boxes in that like this. Right? You have 4 boxes like this. Yes or no? Your paper is like this. You have to turn your paper like this. If your paper is like this in the portrait way, turn it like this in a landscape way. Okay? Turn it. Yeah, like that you have to turn it. And in this, first we are going to draw a sun. Okay? And in the other box, you are going to draw a cloud and a rain.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma, Lakshana, finished. Very good, ma, Lakshana. Rain. Okay? Very good, Lakshana. I saw yours. Take a A4 sheet paper and do this. And then in the next paper, you are going to draw a snowman. Okay? And in the 4th place, you are going to draw flowers. Okay? So first box, you will draw a sun, which is the summer season. And then you will draw rain, that is the monsoon season. And then a snowman, which is winter season. And here flowers, which is the spring season. Okay, so 4 seasons you are going to draw, and then you are going to get help from your parents. You are going to cut all those cutouts and stick it in a cardboard.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma, Pranita.
No A4 sheet.
No A4 sheet, you can take it from any long size notebook. If you have any long size notebook, take it from that. Okay? See, you have to get help from your parents. Cut all these cutouts, 4 cutouts. Take a cardboard and stick it in that. Okay? Tomorrow we are going to learn about seasons. At that time, I'll be doing this activity. Okay? So finish this, draw this, color this beautifully, and then cut and stick it. Will you all do that? Finished? Show me how we have done. Show me.
Look, ma'am. Look,
Finished, yeah.
ma'am.
Very good. Snowman, flowers, rain. Sun little bit bigger you can draw, Rohita.
అమ్మా బిగ్ సన్ అంట మ్యామ్ చెప్తున్నారు నేను చెప్తాను
Little bit big you can draw. Sun.
I am finished, ma'am.
Show me how we have done. Those are finished. Nitila, show me. Yeah, Nitila, show ma.
ఇప్పుడు పోడు ఇప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు
Oh no! Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Show me, Kavyani.
ఇప్పుడు పడిపోస్తావా ఆల్రెడీ ఇప్పుడు రెండు
Mute yourself, children. Everyone mute yourself. 1 minute. Dev Krish, Janavi, show your papers. Lakshana, mute ma. Mute yourself and do your work. Snowman, you want me to show?
Yes.
Show or snowman? I'm not able to understand what you are asking. Show ma'am or snowman?
No, he wants to. He tell ma'am, please show your picture now.
Yeah, mine. Okay, Dev Krish. Zeddy, are you drawing, Zeddy? Janavi, finish?
Finish, ma'am.
Show me how you have done.
Thank you, ma'am. This is
Show me.
finish, ma'am.
Janavi, A4 sheet ma, Janavi. In which paper you have drawn? Dikshan, good ma. Cut and stick it in a cardboard, okay? Color it and then you cut it, okay?
Look, ma'am.
Very good, Rohita.
Ma'am.
Dikshan, very good. Rohita, very good. Satvika, show. Very good, Satvika. Very good. Kavyani, Rohita, very good, ma. Rohita, color it. Children, color it and then you cut it, okay? Finish coloring it. Kavyani, good. Snowman, ah? Why can't you help her? Kavyani's dad.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at the snowman. Correct your snowman alone.
She is not allowing me to help, ma'am.
Okay, now you do it, ma. Kavyani, one small circle and a big circle. Okay?
Yeah, okay, ma'am. This is
Yeah, that's
some
it.
small
Do
circle.
it. That's a good spirit only. Do it. Good girl. Wonderful. Ritvik.
Here, ma'am.
Ashni, very nice, Ashni. Now color it. Big cloud you have to draw. See, ma'am has drawn a big cloud. Hashini's cloud is small as Hashini. Okay? I want it to be big like ma'am. Come on, draw it big. Ritvik. Who is this? Lakshana, very nice drawing, Lakshana. Very nice. Good. Good, ma. Ritvik. Wow, Ritvik. Big sun but a small snowman, ah? Nice. Come on, continue. Very nice. Good. Nitek. Pranita, show me. Yes, Pranita. What is it? Who is near you, Pranita?
Sun.
Who is near you? உன் கூட யார் இருக்காங்கம்மா? Pranita. Mokshita is there?
No.
Then who is there? No one is there with you. Who is there near Pranita? Can you please come? Grandma. Call your grandma. Pranitaக்கு ஒரு பேப்பர் கொடுத்து இத மாதிரி வரையணும். சொல்றீங்களா?
சொல்றேங்க.
அவங்க அப்பா வந்தாங்கன்னா சொல்லுங்க, இந்த மாதிரி வரையணும். பேப்பர் எடுத்து 4ஆ பிரிச்சு வரையணும். இந்த மாதிரி சின்ன சின்ன பேப்பர்ல வரைய கூடாது. அத கட் பண்ணி ஒரு கார்ட்போர்ட்ல ஒட்டணும். ஓகேங்களா? என்ன டவுட்டா இருந்தா மெசேஜ் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. ஓகே? ஓகே, thank you.
சரி.
Yeah, ma Pranita, if you can say clearly, convey it to your daddy and mummy, okay? Then you should not cry that my picture is not beautiful and all, okay? Nightek.
This okay.
Kavyani, very nice. Yeah, very nice, Kavyani. Good girl. Beautiful. Nightek. Mute yourself, Pranita. Nightek is not here. Very nice, Devkrish. Color it, ma. I know you will always draw beautifully. Now color. Good boy. Smiling. Keep smiling, Devkrish. But often you are getting angry. Well done. Welcome. Zeddy finished? Drawing, do it, ma. Enough for showing. Finished, everyone. Darshika, show me how you have drawn. Vidyut. Vidyut finished? Very good, Vidyut. Nice. Color it, and then you cut it and paste it in a cardboard for tomorrow's season concept. Okay? Yeah, good. Darshika, show me how you have drawn. Nova. What happened to your snowman? Come on, lift it up and show me. Let me see. Snowman, what happened to your snowman? Nice. Snowman is very thin. That alone you corrected, okay? Others and all are beautiful. High five, Darshika. Good girl. Come on, do it. Wonderful. See what she's saying? I heard you, Darshika. I heard you. Okay, children, as I said, color it, cut it and paste it in a cardboard for tomorrow's activity. Okay? So, thank you so much for your cooperation, children. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Delsi, bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Yeah, bye, everyone.
Bye. Delsi, bye.
Yeah, bye, ma.
Bye. Bye.
Yeah, bye, Rohita. Bye, Rohita. Bye, Zeddy. Bye, Pranita. Yes, ma? What, ma, Rohita? Grandma. You went to your grandma's house. Okay, very good. Okay, bye, Rohita. Bye, everyone.